it's me, Karen. I'm pretty tired right now. So I'm using my base sleep right now because it's 7:30 in the morning and it's Saturday. But anyways, I'm gonna try a green apple chupa chups. I've tried one before, but not on camera, so I'm gonna try one on camera. And I'm watching one of my videos, one of my old videos. Smells sour, so I'm gonna try it. Why am I keep singing? But I need a sneeze. No, I don't anymore. I felt like I did, but I did. It's really good, but it's not sour. It's a little bit sour. On the sour scale, between 1 and 10, I would give it a 2. By the way, I've made a sour scale for like all the sweets I've had, like the big rattlers, or like the big zappers. They're about 5. The rattlers are about 7, and toxic waste is about 10. Because they're pretty sour. I thought this would die in tongue, but it doesn't. It's really good though. Too brown. How is it too brown? It's light brown. And finding a lime piece, yay! I'm gonna go here. See what pieces make you try to choose. I have a pretty bad cough. It's Roblox head. Turquoise is blue. Turquoise is blue. A 20 by 20 green plate. That's also turquoise. It's not even brown, actually, it's cream. And that's a piece that worked. A lime 2x4. Very sticky now. By the way, if you want to wrap this up, do not wrap it in kitchen roll or tin foil because it will just stick. So if you have cling film, use cling film. If you have no idea what cling film is, then you mustn't live with your parents. Grapes. Why does it say guava? Looks like you banged yourself pretty bad much. See? So get yourself so bad. Really bad. Let's kick it in now. I just fell in my belly. It was just like. making like that noise. That's a weird noise. What's that face? You're showing my face. My face. Like, why the heck did you take my piece away from me? Then why'd you give Mickey my other piece? Why does it sound like I was gonna cry? I'm gonna put this in the bin. I'm way before everyone else. But I'm still asleep. Not going to watch a TV, but still. I mean, like, I'm the only one downstairs, and my keyboard's broken. Because I shut the door, and apparently it fell. And just smashed instantly, but if I get an adapter, it would work again. Make sure to like and subscribe to my more user ling ding ding. What the heck? And yeah. What the heck? What the hell was that voice? Where the heck is my piece? That's what I just said. What am I doing? Why is my voice going like that? Why? Why? Just why? That awkward moment when there's just silence and you start snoring. Oh, that should be a meme. That should literally, what the heck? That should literally be a meme. When there's awkward silence and you start snoring. It just... when there's no one around. Predicament. I'm making it 10 minutes. I said I'm making it 10 minutes. Awkward moment when you start snoring and awkward silence. I had to break the awkward silence, so I just started snoring. Why does it look black now? It's green, look, and then look far away. It looks black. Everything looks black, apart from the window. A bit sad about that bit, I'm just saying. I might make this 15 minutes. I might listen to some songs. I've got more prizes than Mickey. What the heck? I've got more prizes than Mickey. Yay! The heck is that this? Why do I make weird faces? And why am I talking with her already in my mouth? I don't think YouTube would understand this. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Microscopic circulocranial uneasy establishmentarianism. What I said was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, pneumomicroscopic and establishmentarianism. Boom, boom, boom. I made the 2 songs. First, I'm gonna listen to Light Switch by Charlie Puth. You turn me on like a light switch.
9 out of 10 parents using SMA Profiler 1 milk.
Yeah. Why you can't 11:30 when you only want to do me dirty? Whoa. And hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah. Act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's. But I go right back, yeah. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. Fight this, you know, just me, what? You turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. You take it, you just make me want you, baby. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? Stressing. Man, when you walk like that, no. Why I always wanna act like lovers? You don't wanna be each other. But I go right back. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. Me and Tiger, you know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want, keep me wanting you. You want the light switch when you're moving your body around and around. I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want to. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you to. Baby, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want, you want, you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want to keep me wanting you. Boom. So this is gonna be 50 minutes long, and it's like a lot. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Make sure to like and what? Make sure to like and subscribe. Keep my more videos and links, ding ding, and yeah. Bye 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 bye. See you.